Assalamu alaikum everyone. The chapter that we are going to start with is the first chapter of OLevels and IGCSE Economics, the nature of economic problem. So let's talk about it. The basic economic problem or the fundamental economic problem is that of scarcity. It arises because of limited resources or finite resources and unlimited wants. I am not talking about needs, I'm talking about wants. For example, having transportation is a need, however, having a luxury car is a want. So you need your needs to be met and fulfilled if you are to survive, but wants can stop. Wants can wait, basically, not stop. Wants can wait, right? So limited resources and unlimited wants. The problem of scarcity is an ongoing problem, and it will keep on going as long as people are alive, because all the resources are not increasing, and they may not increase in the long term. Some resources will keep on deteriorating and depleting as we keep using them. So unlimited resources, unlimited wants, and limited resources or finite resources. Which resources we are talking about? Resources can be the resources at your disposal, but if we look at from the economics point of view, we are talking about factors of production, which we are going to look at as the lesson proceeds. Not this one, maybe in other lessons. So unlimited wants and limited resources lead to the problem of scarcity. The problem of scarcity leads to the issue of choice. People have to make choices. Everybody, each one of us has to make a choice in our daily lives or on a day-to-day basis. For example, if you are choosing between University 1 and University 2, these are the two best options or the best two choices that you will have out of a list of options, and you will choose the one that is within your means or within your limited resources. For example, if you choose University 1, this will be the one that is best suited for you according to your resources. Means you will be able to pay for it, you will be able to commute easily, you will have resources to pay for admission fees, etc., whatever is required, the money, the resources. Okay. uh, Other people might have to make choices regarding investing in project 1 or investing in project 2. They will look for projects that will give them the highest return. If we are talking about firms, they will have to make a choice about whether to produce product 1 or to produce product 2. They will make a choice keeping in mind the costs, lower costs, and higher profit margins. If we look at from the government point of view, they will be looking at whether to invest in healthcare or whether to invest in education. So they will invest in a choice which is going to bring out the most welfare for the economy and the people. So everybody has to make a choice, but when you are making choices, you have more than one options to choose from. So you choose only one and you forego others. So the ones that you forego become your opportunity cost. What is the opportunity cost? Opportunity cost is equals to the second best alternative foregone. Second best alternative foregone means if you pick University 1, University 2 becomes your opportunity cost. If you pick investment 1, investment 2 becomes your opportunity cost. If you choose to manufacture product 2, product 1 becomes your opportunity cost. If the government chooses to invest in education, investing in healthcare becomes their opportunity cost. The question here is, where is the cost? Opportunity cost is not always in monetary terms, means it's not in form of money, that this is the money that you have foregone or this is the money that you could have earned. Opportunity cost is in terms of benefit, the benefit that you are foregoing, the choice that you are foregoing. So there is the issue of scarcity. Scarcity leads to the issue of choice, and choice has an inherent issue of opportunity cost. So whenever economic agents, which economic agents? Three economic agents. Which three economic agents? Let me write here. We have consumers, we have firms, and we have the government. These are the economic agents. Why they are the economic agents? Because these are the ones who are helping the economy either flourish or economy go in shambles. So consumers, they spend money, contribute towards economic growth. Firms, they produce and create jobs, contribute towards economic growth. Government makes policies to make growth easy or to slow down growth. So each one of them is contributing towards economic growth. That is why they are called economic agents. So all three economic agents are faced with the issue of choice and opportunity cost. So when we are looking from the viewpoint of firms and the government, there are three fundamental questions that they ask themselves while making choices. What are the three fundamental questions? The questions are: what to produce? Here they will have an opportunity cost, whether to produce good 1 or good 2, whether to give service 1 or service 2. So what to produce? Number 2 is how to produce. When they say how to produce, they are allocating resources, and they are thinking of how to allocate resources. Which resources? Factors of production, which we will look at in the next lecture. So how to produce, how to allocate resources. And the third one is for whom to produce. This also we are going to learn when we talk about public goods and private goods. But here, for whom to produce means whether everybody can use the good or service, irrespective of whether they pay or they don't, or this product is going to be produced only for people who will pay for it, right? So these are the three fundamental questions that all the economic agents, especially the firms and the government, are faced with when they are making choices. That is it for today. I'll see you in the next lecture.